Just to inform you, I am obsessed with Mets. So this year, I really thought that the theme was like so nice and they could have done so much more, but they really disappointed us. This time, I think we should give a kudos to our Indians.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
We got our A game.
We really did. Everyone else that was not Indian that was there, I felt like they said art and then they went with a painting.
Yeah. Or
They
a
went with-
sculpture.
Yes.
Or a
A
sculpture.
painting or a sculpture, guys. Art is so much more than that.
And the worst or the best part of this theme was that it was so open-ended and
Yes.
so vague. It was so open to interpretation.
Yeah.
And people still, it was crazy how similarly people thought when they tried to dress up like paintings or like
Yeah.
sculptures.
Yeah.
There was so much room to do more. And I feel very few
Exactly.
did that.
Exactly.
Which we'll come to. but
We
yeah.
we're gonna have like pictures.
We're pulling out
We're
receipts.
we're pulling out
bitch.
receipts and we're gonna look at these looks. And guys, we have opinions.
Oh,
as you
yes.
said, as you
Strong.
saw those posters, like we come with we come for the we come for their blood.
Oh, yeah. For
Fully.
We will,
Fully.
and we are not
Yes.
gonna hold back because
Yes.
again we have no. We do kind
Literally.
of like Ambani's watch this. And I really didn't like that outfit. That was the one disappointing Indian outfit for me. Oh my god! Am I getting too ahead of myself?
Isha.
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 Oh.
Can we pull up Isha, please?
Oh, wow. Interesting.
Wow. Okay, now
So
a little backstory for this outfit. So do you guys see the blouse that she's wearing?
Mm-hmm.
That's all her mom's diamonds.
Yes.
Yes.
It is.
It's literally all her mom's diamond. There's this thing at the back which looks like a knife.
Yeah.
That
Up.
yeah, it's like a
Yeah,
knife
yeah.
thingy. That is also one of her mom's jewelry. And it's like so fucking insane to think. Yeah, see? Oh my god.
Guys.
it is beautiful. It is beautiful.
It is
the
very
my critique on this is that number one, okay, art, but like it's not very. I don't look at it and I'm not thinking that
That's
this is
mad. Okay,
Yeah, it's a
the screen
200
says-
crore.
200 crore blouse in
just
itself.
the blouse.
Yeah, I mean, if it's so heavily
even-
flooded with like fucking diamonds, I'm sure it is that much.
They didn't even have to go shopping for that. This was all at home.
Yeah.
We have
They-
diamonds at home.
They really did though. Like the whole blouse is Nita Ambani's jewels.
You know, yeah,
It's
fair.
insane. My critique, my God. Can we stop with the Gaurav Gupta? I'm tired. I'm sick and tired. I don't want to see
Fair.
another Gaurav Gupta structure. And that's
Yeah.
the one thing that Gaurav Gupta does. I get it. It's his signature. Okay. And he is so much better than me, right? I can't do what he does. I really can't. However, I don't want to see a look and then I'm like, oh, that's Gaurav Gupta. I know why, because it's a structure. I
Correct.
know it's the same structure. I know this is different. It's not the pleats. I get
Yeah.
it. The mango is kind of saving it. I can't lie.
I honestly, I love Gaurav Gupta's designs. And I
Yes.
think the sari is beyond beautiful. I
is
know it's not on theme, the entire thing. It's not really on theme. But the sari, if you look at the, the work on the sari, there are like elephants and there are like artifacts from Rajasthan, those sculptures that
Yeah.
we have. And it is really very peak detailing,
it's very pretty.
which is why I love Gaurav.
True. And you know, funny enough, this was actually
Yes.
one of my favorite looks from the Met. I'll tell
Yeah.
you why. This was very different for what Isha would wear.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like you said, the mango, the
mango.
structure, the detailing was very, very pretty. And this was just something out of the ordinary for Isha to wear,
Isha. Yeah.
which is why I liked it. And then I liked the fact that she went a little outside of her comfort zone, because if you go to see people like Isha, who are very, very obviously rich,
Yeah.
they do play very safe.
Safe.
Especially her with being in the public eye so much, she's not going to go way out and way
Yeah.
camp. This to her was a lot than what she usually does.
Yeah.
I'm so glad you said that about wealthy people because I think once we get done with like dissecting this, I have another wealthy person who
Yeah.
just shat
But
on
wait,
that carpet.
Yeah, I'm sorry. One minute.
Please tell
Another
me.
thing about this that now in retrospect that I think about is that if they wanted to pay homage to the Indian culture, where I felt like they shat, for the lack of a better word.
Where they shat, yeah.
Indian colors are so beautiful and so rich.
And they were
Vibrant.
going for Rajasthan.
And they were exactly.
And they were going for
went,
Rajasthan.
They went so bland. They went beige, silver in that family, which I
Yeah.
felt like they could have done so much more. The
Yeah,
only
true,
color
true,
here
true,
is green, the emerald green, and the yellow from the mango.
It is standing
Yes.
out if that
Yes.
was the intention.
It is. But again, I feel like she could have done so much more with her hair.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
The gajra, I feel like it's like huge. It's like a foot long
trail.
gajra. Yeah, and then she carried it also like it was like a Scandinavian scarf or something like that.
A dupatta. A Scandinavian scarf, bitch. It's a dupatta.
She carried it like that, and then I don't know, I loved everything about
Yeah.
that outfit, to be very honest.
True.
Even though like the color
Was
they
like
could
a,
have
a
gone-
negative point, but I feel like there were a lot of positives also.
Yeah. So and I love that color. I'm going to be
It is
biased with the
true,
color.
True.
She
It
does
is
like
a-
that color.
We
That's
do,
one of
yeah.
my favorite.
And I think that's also why it was one of my favorites, because for her, it just fit her personality
Yes.
well.
Yes.
Like I
Yes.
think for if someone else would have worn it, it would have been really bad.
Yeah.
It would have been really bland. But I think with her, like her personality and her poise, I think it just looked well.
Let's rate this outfit.
Ooh, out of 10, I would give this a solid 8.
I'm going to give it a 8.5.
7. I'm giving it a 7. I'm
Lil-
sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry, Isha.
Isha's watching, of course.
Yeah.
Radaki.
Radaki. Radaki should have also been there, yeah. What the hell?
Hi guys, if you enjoyed watching this clip, the entire video is linked in the description below. So don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button to this and that channel, that is We Are Besharam. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.